Well, howdy there, Internet people. It's Belle again. So today, we're going to talk about Georgia, Louisiana, and ongoing developments when it comes to women's rights. Developments in two different states show how women's rights have been thrown to whims of political talking points since Trump orchestrated it going back to the states. We'll start off with the good news. In Georgia, a legal challenge brought by Sister Song Women of Color Reproductive Collective led to a judge issuing a scathing ruling and finding that the Life Act infringes on a woman's rights under Georgia's state constitution. The Life Act was signed in 2019 by Republican Governor Brian Kemp. It was unenforceable until Trump successfully ended Roe in 2022. The judge wrote that, quote, "When a fetus growing inside a woman reaches viability, when society can assume care and responsibility for that separate life, then and only then may society intervene. An arbitrary 6-week ban on post-embryonic cardiac activity pregnancy terminations is inconsistent with these rights and the proper balance that a viability rule establishes between a woman's right of liberty and privacy and society's interest in protecting and caring for unborn infants." It's a pretty clear ruling and a win for reproductive rights. However, the Republican Attorney General's office has said, quote, "We believe Georgia's Life Act is fully constitutional, and we will immediately appeal the lower court's decision." So the victory may be short-lived. In Louisiana, a new law has taken effect. It makes the state the first state to make mifepristone and misoprostol controlled substances. A person caught in possession without a prescription could go to prison and see a hefty fine. The law has some strange provisions because the bill was originally intended to stop people from unknowingly being dosed, like having it slipped in a drink. The medications being reclassified as controlled substances was added through an amendment later. Doctors worry that the law could create delays in care, and the City Council of New Orleans asked the city's health department to investigate and study any potential delays in care. The director of the New Orleans Health Department said, quote, "Even if that adds a few minutes, which it will, in the setting of a life-threatening hemorrhage, minutes are really important. We already have a maternal health crisis in Louisiana, as we do in the rest of America. This will not make it better." Legal battles similar to these are playing out across the country, and women have to just wait and watch as politicians enact laws about their medical care that could put their life at risk, simply so the politicians can try to score some political points. If only there was something in early November when women could express their opinion. Anyway, it's just a thought. Y'all have a good day.